Alright, so we're here at the airport in Martinique, in the Port de France, and I'm going to be going to Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo. So we'll see exactly what kind of videos this is going to be, but there will be an arrival into Santo Domingo, separate from this. The airline I'm flying here is Air Caraibes. I believe it's like a French department airline. There's a few different airlines in the Caribbean. There's Air, Inter-Caribbean, Air Caraibes. I believe there's one more even. Let's see here. Typical Europe-style crowding. I think Europeans just love crowds. That's their thing. Because anytime there's a European Union, you go into an airport, it's just booming with people. Booming, just absolutely booming. Let's see here. Here's Caraibes. So I'll pick up when I get there to the line. Okay, so I was just informed that it's at the sea gates. I was going to say that's a lot of people for a Caribbean island hopper lining up. That looked more like a long haul line. So we'll see, these lines might be a little bit shorter. All right, we're able to check in now. Okay, so it was made a little bit more complicated than it needed to be because the Dominican Republic requires an e-ticket document, although several other countries in the Caribbean required that. But people did not have that e-ticket filled out, so they were having to scan their QR codes, and some of them were taking 20 to 30 minutes just to get approved for their e-ticket. So, nonetheless, we are going through to the security. See how that goes. So far, it's been interesting. Okay, so we are now in the airport. They did check my bag because of one of those chargers that you use, like a portable charger. They searched my bag and they confiscated my coconut oil. So, yeah, no. That's just how it is out here these days. Coconut oil deemed dangerous.
Dernière valeur sur le département public, ça veut dire pour les points 604 à destination de Cayenne, Martinique, déjà au centre de Dieu.
It will be interesting to see if they have any food. The airport is a bit old. The scanning machines were pretty modern, though. It says they're rejuvenating the airport. Doesn't look like they have any food here. It's all on the outside. That's a surprise. All right, so we've got a store here. is the closest thing they have to food. Let's see if they got some soda water. So as it turns out, they do have a little bit of food here. I stopped to get a sandwich from that place called Relay, and then right when I came around the corner, I saw they had some food. They have this addiction to Lay's potato chips here in the island, which in my opinion is not the best chips, but that's the only chips they sell here. I don't know if that's like a French thing or what, but it's like this thin potato chip that has no nutritional value whatsoever. So as it turns out, I'm boarding at gate 13, which is down this way. I'm assuming it's downstairs, but it might just be an area of its own. So I'll walk this concourse here and I'll let you know. All right. So one thing I would say about Martinique, they don't have a lot of flights flying inter-Caribbean. They have one, I think, that goes to Guadeloupe. Saw Santo Domingo on there. But most everything goes to France. So people don't island hop from Martinique. I guess because it's a big island, they got everything here. Yeah, where is everybody? It's like empty down here. P13. This is where I'm supposed to be, I think. No bathrooms that I can see yet. Okay, as per usual, here in the Caribbean, the flight is delayed 2 hours. We're now changing gates, so we're going back upstairs. So far I've taken 4 flights in the Caribbean in the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks or so. And 3 of those 4 were delayed by more than 2 hours. The only one that went on time was from St. Kitts to Barbados. And I forgot the name of that airline. But shout out to them. Okay, we're boarding now. About 2 hours late, and they've got a new plane. It's not a prop plane. We'll see how this looks. Yeah, so I love the Caribbean, but man, transportation around islands is not so easy. It's really not easy. Not even the ferries. You'd think it would be easier. Like the Greek islands, it's so easy to get around there. Okay. Here we go. Got it.